The Phantom Tollbooth. Chapter 14. Shortly after their detour to conclusions, Milo, Talk, and the humbug come upon a fork in the road where they meet the dodecahedron, a man with 12 faces, each of which displays a different emotion. When Milo introduces himself, the dodecahedron wonders if everyone with one face is called Milo, and explains that in Digitopolis everything is named for what it is. He finds Milo's system of naming very difficult and wonders how anything get done if the numbers all had their names, and one had to do the sum of Robert plus John. Milo asks which fork he should take to get to Digitopolis, and the dodecahedron responds with a series of increasingly ridiculous story problems. When Milo points out how silly they are, the dodecahedron remarks, "As long as the answer is right, who cares if the question is wrong?" Then he explains that none of the three roads is right and points out that it was foolish of Milo to assume that just because there were three choices one of them was right. The dodecahedron offers to personally escort the travelers to Digitopolis and hops in the car with them. On the outskirts of the city, they stop to see the numbers mine where digits are chiseled out of the stone much like precious gems. Inside they meet the mathemagician, an impressive man who carries a giant pencil that he uses as a wand. The mathemagician explains the functions of the mind to the companions and then invites them to lunch.